Oke, let's start ya. Wait. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh ya. Because this is the last session ya, and we will have the mid test ya. You also can see the material in the Edlink also ya. But here I will start early because I know someone will knock here and then come, and then you not feeling good if seperti diusir gitu ya. Okay, so the basic electronic test module ya, so it is like a projection ya, maybe not far from this ya. The first is the core component ya, and then the multiple choice, and then the essay. The multiple choice maybe will be 20 ya, and the essay maybe 2 ya, and then the competencies, and then the reference ya. The reference maybe from the book I already give you, and also from Edlink ya, and then the core component ya. Resistor, kapasitor, essential ya. Halo, thank you. The resistor function ya. Resistor ya, as you can see here, resistor ya. There is many kind of resistor ya, and you already know how to read the resistor ya. Resistor limit current flow and divide voltage in circuit. Their value are determined by a 4-band color code. Sometimes it's 5-band, sometimes 6-band ya. It depends ya. The first 2 band represent the digit ya. Black, brown, red, violet ya, yellow ya, and so on ya. The third is a multiplier, and the fourth indicates tolerance ya. Still remember? And for example, a resistor with yellow, violet, red, and gold bands has a value 4.7 kilo ohm and 5% ya, plus and minus ya. So there will be something like this ya in the mid test. And then the capacitor basic ya. Capacitor store electrical energy in an electric field measured in farads ya. The capacitive reactance Xc is inversely proportional to frequency. Calculated using the formula Xc is 1 per 2F frequency C. A capacitor marked with the code 104 has a value 0.1 microfarad ya. And then practical application. In practical circuit, resistor used to control current in LED circuit, while capacitor used for filtering and energy storage ya. Maybe you know in the power supply circuit ya, that you already. And for your information, the power supply ya, the circuit, I will ask you in SI to make power supply circuit and how it works and how the component and how the wave ya. How about the wave maybe from AC, how is the wave like sinusoidal, and then when the trafo, what's going on ya from the AC to trafo ya, and after that trafo to dioda bridge ya, and what is the function of dioda bridge, and then after that capacitor ya, and IC ya, and then become DC 5 volt or 12 volt ya, it depends of the IC ya. And then inductor and BJT transistor ya, this is what we already study before ya. Inductor function ya, you can see even this is small ya, you can see again in Edlink ya. Inductor function, inductor store energy in magnetic field ya. As you see that this is become magnet ya, there is toroida, there is trafo, there is some kind ya, You can see the theory again ya. The voltage across an inductor is proportional to the rate of change of current given by V is the same by L di per dt ya. Inductive reactance XL increases linearly with frequency. Calculated using XL is the same with the 2PFL. Inductors are commonly used in filters and transformers ya. Yes, you already know maybe ya. Trafo is also inductors ya. And then BJT transistor basic ya, this is NPN and then PNP ya, the symbol ya. Bipolar junction transistor or BJT have 3 terminal ya, 3 ya, base ya, collector and emitter. The collector current IC is controlled by the base current ya, in the middle the base current IB using the formula IC is the same with beta IB ya, base current ya. And then BJT operate in 3 mode, cut off, active and saturation ya. There is a material before that describe this ya. Still remember? Ya, the graph ya, there is explanation also on the BJT ya. In NPN transistor, current flows from the collector to the emitter ya. And then MOSFET and linear power supply ya. MOSFET operation. MOSFET are voltage controlled device with a gate, drain and source terminal. They are available in N-channel and P-channel types. The drain current ID in saturation mode is given by ID. Nah, K and then ya susah ya ininya bacanya. MOSFET have high input impedance, making them suitable for high frequency application ya. But there's some people said, oh MOSFET good. Nah, this is the reason ya, high input impedance. A linear power supply convert AC to DC through a series of component ya. Now this is one of the SI ya. Linear power supply AC to DC through a series of component. A transformer steps down the voltage. A diode rectifies, jadi sebagai penyearah ya, diode kalau ini apa teh, trapo menurunkan tegangan ya dari 220 ya, ini listrik ya, AC ke DC ya, ke 5 volt 12 ya. It's become 5 volt or 12, it depends ya. And then the capacitor filters out ripples ya, you know ripples like this ya. Jadi apa teh, kapasitor ya kan, dioda bridge ini ya penyearah ya, as a rectifier. And after that capacitor filter ya. If you already make with Proteus ya, the wave with oscilloscope, maybe you will know or you can see in the YouTube or di Google ya. Udah lihat kan di Google or YouTube ya, pakai oscilloscope ya, there is a change in wave ya, from sinusoidal and then ya until in the end nearly DC ya, even not perfect but become like DC ya. And regulator stabilize the output voltage. The formula for DC output voltage is VDC is the same as 1.41 volt VSC minus 1.4 volt. Key component. The main component of linear power supply include transformer ya, to change the voltage ya from AC to DC ya. And then diodes S rectifier ya, penyearah ya.